Hi guys, that time I was in there, now I was here. This train name is Oda Express. Now, this is for if it's like this, guys, this will be. If we want to close, we can put like this and close. We should, if it's this type, we should do it. If we want to open, just do this one like this, and take it. It will come, and it will not be only like this. It can be so many sizes. See, it can be like this. We want to sleep, we can sleep at night because here is no bed, so we can sleep like this. And this also a circle is there over here, a perfect circle. You can see that is the water bottle that we keep it here. And if we want to drink, we'll take it and do like that. Okay? And we can keep here food to eat also, any type of food. But okay, guys, the current is off. If you like my channel, like, share, subscribe. And this is the current is not on because that is the light of my phone, of my parents' phone. Okay, if you like my channel, please subscribe, share, like.